This conference will
Okay,
now be recorded.
so we'll continue this, students. It's a very important class today. All students, you join us once again. Okay, so we'll start this. All you are attending the classes now. See here. This is the document date. We are
Excuse me,
going to.
ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I just put a picture on the WhatsApp group asking why I can't type that SPRO. I don't
No,
have
first
that.
let me complete doubt sessions. I told you after 7 o'clock.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so if we'll continuously will do, we will be in stacking and screen also will be problems only. First, you see that I'll give you the time 7 o'clock. Today, due to some technical issues, we got disconnected. So you reconnect once again. Okay, so what is that you are not getting? That T code bar you are not getting, that icons to type SPRO. Okay, it is there. It is there in the top. I'll let you know, but right now the decode bar is not used. I am going to the navigation wise. Follow this. I'll tell you after this how to do. You can see on my screen. This is the pointer. You can hide it and you can just right side of the tick mark. This is called enter. So we can click on this and we can open this. Okay, so I'm not
Yes,
doing that
ma'am.
now. I am using this navigation wise. Transaction is commission paid. I'll give you some list of transactions today. Try to do that in system itself. Okay, then I'm going to create now. Let's take interest receipt. So cash account will be debit here, interest receive account credit. So click on the cash account and press enter. Okay, here INR has to put. Okay, then press enter, and here interest I am getting 2000. Here narrations will be being interest received by cash. After this you have to click on posting key 50. This is
Ma'am, are
mandatory
you
to give
recording the
here.
session?
Yes, I am recording. So click on this and then you have to click on interest received. Enter. This is star and this is plus. Simulate this. Save. I'll just check it out once. Yes, it's recording. Okay. So this is, we have done three transactions, right? So what are the transactions we have done? Now let's start with this transactions. So transactions I'll do here, like first one is companies introduce capital rupees 5 lakhs by cash. Okay. Second transactions what we did, paid commission rupees how much? I think 3000 by cash. Third transaction is received interest rupees 2000 by cash. All these cash transactions I am doing. Next one is purchased furniture worth rupees. Suppose I am giving 8000 by check. Suppose I am giving check. In the check, I'll give ICICI Bank. ICICI Bank, you need to select. Okay. So how to do these transactions? I'll show you this one. So let's do once with this thing. So this is document 1002 has been parked. So this is the last transactions. I'm going to park this. So 38 company code TA51, currency is INR, and posting is 50, purchase furniture. So furniture account will be debit here. Press enter. How much amount? I have given 8000. So text what you have to write, being furniture purchased by check. Being furniture purchased by check. So posting key is 50. Here we have to select, we have created ICICI Bank. Yesterday we have created. All students has been created. Press enter. Amount will be star and this will be plus. Now one student has asked me, it's become red. If you will forget to give this, if you forget to give previously 50, then it will become red. Okay. So be careful when you should type 50 here. Then click on save. Now I have pasted four documents, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now 1000, 1001, 1002, 1003. So this is four document already been packed. Now we are going to post this document. So you have to cancel this and you have to come from the SAP Easy Access screen. Okay. Now I am going to post the park document. What is that? Post the park document. So how to post the park document? So here we have to, just below that in the document area, you have get the options like parked document, right? Parked document. Every students can see that parked document. Anyone has done any one entries? Any one single entries has been done means you can go there. Suppose you have you have done capital entries or you have done commission paid entries. Any one entries has been done means go to the next one. FBVO. So you need not to type T code directly. You can double click here.
Ma'am, can we first like create the accounts and then come to the park or post, whatever you said?
I'm not getting your voice is not coming. I'm
Ma'am, you
not getting your
created,
questions.
put in four entries, right, ma'am? Like, could we
Yes.
first do that? Because,
Now
like,
I you want to see this, right? So I'll show you where the document is there. Okay. So we have document display. FB03 is for display. So park document we can display on FB03. So here 8000 is displaying. This is document number TA51. Let me check it is there or not. So this is not mine. Okay. So what you have to do, document number you have to give. In this case, I have to change this document. I'll give 1000. Suppose I'm giving 1000 and this is 2024. Okay. So next I'll do press enter. So it is displaying. Now the document initially being parked. It has been parked. Now how to post it? Here we cannot post because it's a display park document. Every students you can follow this. Once you have parked the document, the next row, same row only, the next option is document where we can
ma'am,
get FB03.
when you were entering the accounts, so like, there was a third page, right, where you said click star in amount column and plus in which box, ma'am?
That is in text. When you are writing
Okay.
narration, that box. So any other students has any doubts? Any other students has any doubts? So ask Jannat, Shreya, Akshaya.
So after we
Any other
click
students?
on star and plus, we save it, right, ma'am?
Yes, already done that one. Okay. So if you are understanding, if you're following, put yes in the message box. So I can show you once more that how to display part document. Then we can post. Okay. Palak is understanding. Okay. Then next, Ashini. Okay. Akshaya, any doubts is there? Pooja, Pavitra.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, so yesterday I was not present for the GL account creation, ma'am. So after looking at the recording, if I have any doubt, can I ask you tomorrow?
Yes, you can ask. You can ask. Anytime you can ask.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
In
Ma'am,
class only you
also
ask
one more.
because other time I'll be busy in class. In our class time only you can ask me.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, also one more thing, ma'am. In the parking of the document when you were doing,
Okay.
you had actually selected up an account, right? Is it the cash account or is it capital or
First
furniture
one,
account? Which
first
one should we
transaction you are
consider?
asking, right? First transaction. That is actually manual accounting, how you are entering. If capital is introducing by cash, how the entries will be in the journal book. Cash account debited to company's capital, right? So likewise, I have entered first cash account. So what the number was displaying 1 lakh that we have created GL account yesterday. Okay, you have missed out the class. 1 lakh I have created GL account. That is the number actually. Okay. So then when you will select the cash, automatically the number will generate on the software. Then we have to press enter. Once you will press enter, then how much you want to introduce capital, that amount you have to type first time. Then in the narrations you have to type being capital introduced, right? Then after what you need to do, you have to press enter. Then next time again you need not to put the amount. In that case, you have to put star. From the numeric keypad, from the keyboard, you can put star. Then star means that is asterisk symbol. Numeric keypad you can use. Then plus in the narration area, in the text area. Okay, when is the long text it is written there only. Then what you need to do here, and you can simulate means overview the document. Then after you click on save, it will become part. Okay, so this is sequentially you need to do that. Is that clear, students? So Likewise, you can park the documents. Now, as I told you how to display the park document, there is a one more option is called this below the posting. You can see document. In the document, anything you want to change, you can change. But right now, my all document are correct. I'm not going to change any things there. So I can change this. I can see the display document. So here it's showing some numbers, but this is not your document number. So I want to see my document number 1002 and 2024 fiscal year you have to give. Now you can see I have done interest received, cash to interest receipt I have done. So this documents also you can see that. But here we cannot do any changes. Now these documents all three I am going to post now. So just below the documents we have the park document section. In that first option is FBV0. So in that case double click on this. Now first let me pass the post the first document, that is the document number 1000. So you have to give your 2024 and see this document I am going to post. So what the message will blink? Document 1000 was posted in company code TA51.
Ma'am, how did you
Understood?
post?
Every student can see on the screen. It's become green button, and this is document 1000 was posted in company code TA51. Understood? This
Ma'am,
is called
how did
log
you go
display
to
How did you
the
post it,
where
ma'am?
the document will be posted. Park document is got posted. Likewise, I want to post the document 1001. Likewise, 2024. Okay, and click on this enter. Now you can see commission paid I have done for the documents too. Sorry, documents 1001. All the details of this it will display business area. So the company code is displaying, period is 4. Now someone has asked me what why the 4, because April, May, June, July. Still July is running, so posting period is 4. When August will come, automatically the posting period will get updated in the software as a file.
Ma'am, I
Understanding?
have a doubt.
So that is the things. Then what we need to do, we have to
Ma'am,
post the document. Now, document
ma'am,
1001
can you hear
also
me?
get posted. So you can see the message blinking here. Documents
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
1001 posted, company code TA51. Likewise, whatever
Ma'am, are you able
documents
to
you
hear
have
me?
been parked, that all you can post it. Okay. So click on this, enter, and save this.
Ma'am, can you hear
So
me?
the document 1002 also got posted. Likewise, the last document I am going to post 2024. Press enter and then click on post. So what is happening? It is all wrong. Why it is displaying? So check not successful due to the
Ma'am,
intermission
you're going
process.
really fast, ma'am. We're
Let's
not
see
able to
there
catch up
is
with
some
you, ma'am.
mistakes here. Being furniture purchased by value date has
Ma'am,
to
can you
change.
hear us?
Press enter. Now the
Ma'am,
document
can
was
you hear
posted.
us?
I forgot to
Ma'am,
give
can
the
you hear
value date, so
us?
it's not posted. Now this all got posted. So these are my four
Ma'am,
documents which are I am posted here.
M- ma'am?
Parking and
Ma'am,
posting. Now one simple example I'll give on general posting, means direct posting. Till this any students has any doubts? Write the T code for this FBV0. See if in the T code bar slash n FB V0, if you will type directly you can get the screen. Understanding? So students, the task for you, all the T codes you can write. So few of this you need not to write, just like he said clean item not to write. So FBV0, which concepts I am teaching, that T code you can write. FBV0 for post
ma'am,
or
can you
delete.
hear us, ma'am? Ma'am, can you
FB50
hear
is for,
us?
sorry,
Sujata, ma'am,
F65
can you
is
hear
for
us?
general document parking. This chapter is very longer
Can
this week.
anybody
If you
else hear
write,
me?
Ma'am,
okay, edit GL parking, posting, all these things are there. That is the things. So write two T codes for today. F-65 is for general document parking. FB50 is for post delete document.
Ma'am, can you hear us, ma'am? Ma'am? Ma'am, I don't think you can hear us. Ma'am?
So I'll just mention
Ma'am,
general document parking is so T code. I just given T code for general document parking is what is that? What we have done today F hyphen 65. Okay, and T code for T code for uh, display park document.
Ma'am,
Display
ma'am,
park
ma'am,
document is what?
ma'am,
That is your FP03. Okay. Then the third important point is post the park document. So this is very important, students. You can make a note. It will come maybe in online exams. T code for parked post document. For to parked T code for
Excuse me, ma'am.
post
ma'am,
park document
I don't think she can hear any of us.
is FBV0. Okay, so this is called as a post and delete. Post or delete. Understood? So this is for display. And one is general document parking. Okay, I'll stop it here, and here you can ask the doubts. I stopped the sessions now, so you can ask any doubts you have.
Can you hear us now?
So we'll do today this much only. If any doubts you have, ask.
Ma'am, can you hear us now?
ma'am, can you hear us? Ma'am, can you hear us? Ma'am, is my voice audible?
I'm not getting anyone's voice.
Ma'am, could you check the chat box, message box?
yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes,
we were
Palak, tell
asking
me.
doubts for, ma'am, we were asking doubts for such a long time, ma'am. We were trying to like
You
reach you out
outright
whenever
ignored us, ma'am.
explaining. Yes, ma'am. We were calling you ma'am, and we
I'm
were
not
asking
getting
you a doubt,
anyone's
ma'am.
voice.
Ma'am, could you check the chat box, the message box? Ma'am, if you're not able to hear us, then let's communicate through the messages.
Okay, ask now. I stop the classes. You cannot call Palak. I'm not getting anyone's voice. Please speak. Don't
Ma'am,
message. Please
ma'am,
speak
ma'am,
once.
can you hear us now? Can you hear me? Hello, ma'am. Can everybody else hear me?
Yes,
Can
I can hear
anyone hear
you.
me? Yes.
I'm
Yes.
not
Okay.
getting the voice actually. Mic is already on.
Yes, ma'am, my mic is on. I'm speaking,
Dude,
but
she
I
can't
don't know
hear
if you're
you.
able to hear me. Can you hear?
Too much ads.
Yes, Palak, I can hear you. Now you can ask.
Yes, ma'am. We kept calling you out during the entire 15 by
No,
15
I
minutes.
will not receive the call. Call I am
Not
not
call.
receiving the.
No, I mean I meant to say I kept asking you, but you didn't respond. All of us were asking you.
Ma'am,
Ask
for
now. I am
the
not
last 10
repeating
minutes.
things. Yes,
Ma'am,
you can do it.
okay, can
Because
I ask
already
my
I told
doubt,
you
ma'am?
I can give you the after 7 o'clock only, but in the
No,
middle if you'll
ma'am, you
ask,
just kept
how can
going
we
on and
continue?
on, and we kept asking you, didn't respond either.
Okay, Palak, leave that. Tell her that whatever for the last 10 minutes, ma'am taught, it was very rushed and we were not able to follow along.
Ma'am, actually, whatever you taught us back in 15 minutes, we couldn't keep a track on, and none of us understood because you kept going very fast.
So you have written this transaction. I've written these transactions. So you can see the screen now. Are you able to screen? Yes, Palak?
Yes, ma'am, we can see your screen. Could you just show us again how
Yes.
you,
If you'll
yeah,
ask, then I'll show you. No, see, park
yes, ma'am.
document, what
Ma'am,
is
and
that?
ma'am,
FB50.
before posting
You're
document,
not giving chance to explain. So how can I forward this? How can I forward this?
ma'am,
F65 is the general posting, what I'm saying. Okay?
can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, tell me. Yes, tell me.
Okay, so basically, ma'am, I understood till park document, and after
Okay.
park document, I'm trying to come out of the page, but it says fill in all required entry fields. But I entered three accounts. Now, how do I come
Which
back?
three accounts? Okay,
Okay,
let me open. You can
share
share
my
now
screen?
because by
Okay, okay.
sharing some technical issues has happened. So I log out
Yes,
from
ma'am.
this again. I have logged in because if you keep
Okay,
on
ma'am. No
sharing,
worries, ma'am.
so it will be stuck on this. So I
No
called the
worries,
admin
ma'am.
sir
But
again.
could you
He'll
like,
done that.
yes, ma'am, no
Okay,
worries,
so
but could you just
understanding
like,
this. Now
yes,
we'll
yes,
stop
got it,
sharing.
ma'am.
I'm not going to share any screen now. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
let's
Yes, ma'am.
stop
Okay,
this.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, basically, till park document, everything was fine. But after that, you went a little fast and we couldn't keep along. And it's very important for us to do it while you're teaching. Otherwise, we won't understand, no, ma'am. That's why I'm
That I
saying.
know because it's not
Yes,
that much
yes.
easy. I got to know. But
Yes, yes, ma'am.
if you'll keep on every minute, then it will
Yes,
not,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got
everyone
it.
will get confused on this because we are going forward then back, then forward then back. So students,
Yes,
no
ma'am.
students will get to
That's
know
why
that
I'm
because
just
what is
asking
going,
if you could
they
go
will not
slower.
catch it out. No, they will
Yes,
not
ma'am.
catch it out what it's going on actually because one sequence you will see, then you start doing on this.
Okay,
Then
ma'am.
last class, how I did yesterday, how nicely we have done. First, let me do once transactions. Ma'am, we will do like this. I will give you after
Got
five
it,
minutes.
ma'am.
But if you will keep on doing this, other
Yes,
students
ma'am.
also they
That's
will
not
not
my
be able to
issue.
do that. That is the things.
That's not an issue, ma'am. I will ask my doubts in the last
No,
15
no,
minutes.
asking doubts because sharing screen is a little bit
Yes, ma'am.
problem we are getting.
I'll share screen
Now you
also
can,
in
because
the
I
doubt.
already told you before also that screen
Yes,
sharing
ma'am.
after 7 o'clock
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can do
Got
it.
it.
Starting
Okay, ma'am.
only
I
we
will.
have done today.
Okay,
Yesterday it
ma'am.
was okay. Every student has done nicely. I'm happy with that. But today, due to some technical issues, got disconnected. Understanding this
Okay,
naturally.
ma'am. No
That is the things.
problem. No problem, ma'am. No problem, ma'am. I'll share screen if I have doubts only in the last 15 minutes. It's just that I would
Yes,
request you to go a little
yes,
slower.
yes. Yes, no problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Yesterday we have done full class only GL account only, right? So that's why. No
Yes, ma'am.
problem. Now you can
Yesterday's
share.
space.
I have stopped it. You can share the
Yes, ma'am.
screen now.
Okay.
So
Yesterday's
everyone
space
will
was
see that
fine,
and
ma'am.
they can
Today's
clear the
space
doubts.
was a very.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Share the
are
Yesterday's
we
screen
space
now.
supposed
I
was
to
have
good,
already
post?
ma'am.
stopped that.
Ma'am, are we supposed to park? Sorry, post all the transactions?
Right now also Snehasri only displaying. If I'll enable, it will not take. Due to system you are connecting, I'm not finding out which system has to connect.
Ma'am, I don't have the option to share. Could you
Snehasri KB,
enable
I'll
Sneha
connect.
KB? Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's connect with the Snehasri KB. Just a minute. I'll make it as a presenter. Okay, now you can check it out. Once present your screen, every students will get to know that how the error is happening or how we can solve it. Still now also your screen is not visible. Okay, now I got the screen. Okay, what is displaying actually? What error message is displaying there?
How to exit this? I finished entering three accounts. You said no, cash account, capital
Now you
account,
try
commission paid
to
account, and
post
interest
any
received. The three
entries,
of
I
them I
will check.
finished. Ma'am, ma'am, could you repeat? Hello, hello, ma'am, can you hear
Post
me?
any entries.
No, ma'am, I finished
Give the
parking the
document
three
date.
entries. How do I exit this?
Shastri, type the just select the document date. That
Ma'am,
right
can you
click
hear
on this
me?
there. If you'll click, there if you
Ma'am,
click, you will get the calendar.
ma'am, can you
Select the
hear me?
today's date. No, now you do one entries. Don't message me. Speak once and document date. You now in front of me. You do one text. You exit means cancel button. You exit cancel button. In this red color one is there. Cancel it. On the top, yes, that you cancel it. So you will come out from the screen. Okay. Now you again click on this and try to pass one entries. Yes, go
Ma'am, can you
again
hear
there.
me? Can you
F65.
hear me, ma'am?
Your voice is not
Ma'am,
coming. I'm not getting the voice. Okay, double click on this F65 once again. No, your voice is not coming, Snehashri. It will take time if you text and ask. Okay, just F65, you double click on that, and what I'm saying, one more entries you do. Select the date. Yes, 30th you select. Click there, account. Yes, click on that. Yes, press enter once. Don't click enter key. You can press enter also. Yes. Now you select furniture account. If you created furniture account, you can select that one. Yes. Double click there. Good. Press enter. Yes. Now you type 8,000. Yes. Now, click on this text and type being furniture purchased by check or by bank. You write being furniture purchased by check. Yes. Okay. Now, posting key is there in the down. Type 50 there. Yes, 50. Yes, good. Then you type and select the ICICI Bank we have created yesterday, that you select. Press enter. Yes, good. Now you will get the ICICI Bank that you need to select. Yes, select ICICI Bank here. You have created. Yes, good. That one you select. Okay. Then what you have to do, Snehashri, press enter. Yes. Now you put star. Yes. Then text you put plus text. Yes, plus. Now what you have to do? Go to the overview. It is correct. There only. Just below the park. No, not post. Directly not post. You have to simulate this, na? Yes, good girl. Now you put that. Yes. Now you can click on save button. So it will get parked. So you can see one message will blink, right? See this document 1003 has been was parked. Okay. So how to come out, right? Your question is in this cancel button is there, Snehashri, that you have to click. Okay. Then you can come to the screen again. You can do from here. If anything is there, you put a cancel button. Every students I am telling, if anything is like this, tucking and all, click on cancel button. You will be come back to the first screen. Okay. So likewise, next you do, we'll just do 5 minutes extra and click on the document. Now next same row only, we have document folder, right? Document folder. After posting folder, then is document folder. Take your mouse to the document folder. Yes. FB03 display you click. FB0, yes, that one. Double click there. Okay, so document number, yes, your document number you give the fiscal year 2024. Press enter. Yes, now it is displaying. Okay, it is displaying now. Come back. Cash to capital is displaying one transactions. I'll tell you how to post it. Okay, so click on the back
Ma'am,
button.
ma'am, will it not show the other accounts that I have entered?
You can back button you do different account numbers. So 1000 we have done, 1001 we have done,
Okay, okay,
1002
ma'am.
we have done like this. Okay,
Okay,
so
so if I need to view the furniture account,
yes,
I need to do 1003.
yes, good girl. You understood now.
Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
so
ma'am.
back. Okay, back once I'll tell you one entries to post also. So every students will understand on that. Okay, click on down park document. One folder is displaying park document down. Yes, that one. Okay. Now FB fifth. What is that post? First one. FB. The post and delete. Yes, that one. Double click there. Now let's do first document to post. So you can give here what the document code is displaying. What is that? You check it out. This is your company code
Yes, ma'am.
and fiscal year 2024. Three fields is required. Then press enter. Okay. Now you click on save button. Yes, click on that.
Ma'am, it's taking some time, but I think it will happen.
It is a little slow sometimes. But once it's posted, no, it will show your document 1000 was posted like this. It will show.
So similarly, I just have to write the document
Similarly,
number
1001. Yes, you can check
1002,
all doc. Yes, yes, you can check all
and then I just
documents.
save it basically.
Post it. Yes. Tomorrow
Okay.
class will be again different. That screen will be different. Edit GL account comment parking. That procedure will be different. Even I have not taught you general posting. I was thinking to teach, but time is almost done. So Palak, any doubts is there, Palak? Palak is raising hand. Yes,
Yes,
Palak,
ma'am.
tell me.
Ma'am, are we supposed to post all the transactions that we created today?
Yes, today what four transactions we have done? You want some more transactions? I'll post. I will send in group. Practice. Okay.
Okay, ma'am,
So
we've made 5 transactions, so we're supposed to post all the 5.
five not today we did four transactions only. So
Okay.
I'll add some more transactions. I'll send you. You can do practice. Okay. This is an assignment like this. You can practice, and you can show it me tomorrow. Okay. Thousand four, five, six, three more transactions I will add, and I'll send in the group. Those students has not done also they will able to do that.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
And tomorrow topics will be same. This again 2 more days it will continue. Okay. So understood every
Ma'am,
students? If you
do I
understood, put
just
in the
go
message
back?
box. Yes.
Ma'am, do I just go back?
Yes, you can go back. Yes, yes, you can do it. Now see your document like my message, it is displaying for you. Correct? So that is the things. So log display it will be. Okay. So all student you understood, put in message box if you understood and put your reply. So we can wind up the session. Okay. So like this, if you have at that time some internet issues was there, so I could not connect. I understood the because I know this is the new one, so it is little difficult to understand. No problem, we'll make it slow. Okay. So next 2 days also we'll be doing like this. Then we'll do vendors. Okay. So that's all for the day, students. I will send you some more transactions. Try to do and show it to me by tomorrow or anywhere any doubts you can check it.